We're going to start with a vibrant image. Our goal is to shift its mood dramatically, emphasizing deep shadows and strong contrast to create a powerful black shadow effect. First, to lay the groundwork for our shadows, subtly decrease the exposure. We're not aiming for a black image yet, just preparing the scene for richer blacks. Next, pull down the highlights significantly. This prevents overly bright areas from distracting from our developing shadows and helps to compress the dynamic range. Now, the crucial step: decrease the shadow slider. This will naturally deepen the midtones and create the initial impression of a black shadow. Don't be afraid to go quite low. To truly punch up those shadows into a rich black, reduce the black slider. This will make the darkest areas in your image pure black, creating a strong silhouette. Finally, to enhance the dramatic effect and separate the light from the dark, significantly increase the contrast. This will make your shadows even deeper and your highlights pop, completing the black shadow look. And there you have it. From a colorful scene to a dramatic, moody image with powerful black shadows. Experiment with these sliders to find the perfect intensity for your photographs. This technique is fantastic for #dramatic photography and #contrast editing, allowing you to craft truly striking images.